Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ram 1500 in a Tradesman trim, I believe, and powered by a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with some larger offset tires and rims. Let's take a look inside. And then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. Reveal some storage bins underneath, and in the middle you have two cup holders, as well as under here, under the mats on either side, you have these pretty deep storage bins for extra storage or hidden storage, whatever you want. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 72,429 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls, as well as your manual gear shift buttons. And then on the left, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your vehicle info, so you have a bunch of service info, stuff like that. And then you have your fuel economy, your trip A and B information, and messages such as warnings, that being low fuel, screen setup in general, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is radio, Sirius, auxiliary, and USB capable, so you have plenty of options there for whatever you want to listen to. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera in the rear view mirror there, so you can see where you're going. And moving down, you have your climate controls, very simple, just on 3 dials, your hazards, your traction control shutoff, and your tow haul mode button. To the left, you have your main shifter on a dial, very simple, easy to use. You have your 4x4 selector. Down below here, you have an aftermarket trailer brake controller, and then moving down from these controls, you have this compartment here for storage. You have a 12-volt power outlet there, and then you have a USB over here. Moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with 2 USBs and auxiliary inside, so you can hook up your audio or something to power. And then this does flip up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, while also having some little trays there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.